What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Hey, right off the bat, I gotta say this. Listen, Smoking and Grilling with AB, that's like a mouthful, right? Hey, we finna shorten this up, abbreviate it a little bit. Hey, from now on, we just finna call this S&G with me, AB. Hey, with that being said, I want you guys to take a look at these ingredients right here. You already seen the thumbnail. You know, you done read that title. Listen, I'm finna turn a traditional, like, I guess, I don't even wanna say it's traditional, but we finna turn the brunch breakfast burger into something special. Check it out, we gotta have brioche. Of course, we gotta have that 80-20. We gonna use beef chorizo. Look, this mix and that right there, hey, ooh-wee. Now, look, this right here, this is gonna be my garlic aioli, right? We're gonna put an egg on there. We got cheese of your choice, but you see what I'm using right here, right? And then right here, I always got that thick cut bacon. Hey, real simple. And then listen, me being native to California, you know what I mean? I've been doing the avocado wrong. We're gonna put some avocados on top of this too. Again, don't forget about it's about that brunch, right? Now, take a look at these products right here. These are Branch and Vine, you know, flavored and smoked sea sauce. These right here are fire. Any of these, I don't know which one I'm gonna use right now, but I'm gonna decide, you know, I guess, you know, as I'm putting everything together and I'm seasoning my meat, this right here, these are level up. Remember, the key word is brunch. Now, check this out. Now, you know I say I don't wanna over talk it, right? So I'm gonna be quiet and listen, we finna make this happen. All right, so you guys see me? Look, just making bacon. I wanted to look the best possible way. So what you guys don't know is, you can probably see his shoes in the video right there. Go ahead and pan that camera back. Hey, look, we got Mr. Foodie Grill here. What's going on, man?
What up, man?
Hey, so all we talk about, you know, there's always people behind in the background. A lot of people come and want to watch me film, stuff like that. But this time, this one right here, he got a purpose. He here because, listen, we doing a little challenge amongst each other, right? We gonna see who can make the best breakfast burger. So I told him I'm gonna do a brunch one, and I'm gonna turn it over the top. And I'm sure Mr. Foodie right here gonna go ahead and do it on the in the Foodie Grill. In the Foodie Grill, right.
Grill. We're gonna do a nice brunch burger.
That's right.
I'm gonna take everything I've learned watching AB do this right now.
And use it against me, huh?
Use it against him. Find something better to do.
That's right. Hey, so look, all you guys got to look forward. Listen, I'm gonna give you, a link to his channel, and then right now you see it on the screen. Hey, this is super easy, but like I say, we're gonna turn it over to the top. And check this out. When you put these brioche buns, you know, this right here, this got this own unique taste to it. I don't know how anybody making a burger without using brioche anyway. Yeah, right. With that being said, let me go ahead and start getting ready to take these off, and then I'm finna go ahead and let you see the secret. Hey, you gonna be here, like I said, you got to do a little work, bro. So look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steal just a little bit of my mayo, because I'm gonna go ahead and toast these. Don't let me get in your way.
All
you
right.
do your thing.
Yeah, put me to work. Got this fancy Smoking and Grillin AB knife. Is it linked down in the description?
Oh yeah, it's in every one of my videos.
Being that we're from SoCal, we got to know how to do the avocado, right?
Right. Here come the twist. Right.
Come on.
Come on. There we go.
All right.
There we go.
So we're gonna take it out, spoon it out as best as possible in one fell swoop.
Oh, you do yours differently than me.
All right.
Okay. Cause look, you know what I did? I usually take the knife and scribe it and cut it and then dish it so it come out cubes. But I like this better.
I've been watching too many sushi videos. You know?
Okay. I see you.
You know what I'm saying? There we go.
I see you. Oh, man, that's perfect, bro.
Fan them out.
Oh, that's it. All right, look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you the bowl. You can go ahead and prepare the patties.
The patties, all right.
All right.
So we got 9 ounces of chorizo right here, beef chorizo.
That's beef, beef chorizo.
And then we're gonna use half of this pound, so half a pound of ground beef. I tell you, man, there ain't nothing attractive about squeezing out.
Right. Hey, but just the flavor that it gives you, that's that right there is amazing.
And I tell people that being that we're mixing these meats up, you gotta make sure you want to cook that patty all the way through. We're getting it well done. And we're just getting in there, getting grimy, and mixing it up.
Right.
And what other seasonings we gonna add to this?
No.
Just keeping it with the.
No, we're gonna keep going, but once you get it halfway mixed, I got it.
What about that? What do we use?
Oh, that's good. You know what I'm gonna decide? You know, we already using bacon. You know what I mean? These flavored, this right here, the combination of the flavoring that they use
Yep.
You know, for this bacon flavored sea salt. And one of the things about you don't need much. You know what I mean? Just a couple of pinches. Can you smell it?
Yeah, I can smell it. Yeah, you smell it.
Hey, you know what? And look, it's no bacon. This is like a vegan product too. Yeah. Hey, Branch and Vine, you guys, check it out. Now for my favorite part. Hey, so you know what? I didn't say nothing right off the bat. You know what? This is just the garlic aioli. This right here is what's gonna be fire, folks.
All right, so how big are we gonna make these patties?
For me, about like this big. You know what I mean? But I don't want them to, I'm not doing a smash burger on this right here.
No, we're gonna make a real burger.
It probably need to be a little bit bigger because we're gonna get some shrinkage.
When you get your patties going right here, since we're doing big thick boys, take your thumb, press it down right in the middle.
Right.
You don't have that big bubble up in the middle, and you get an even cook.
All right, so look, let's go ahead and put some of that Branch and Vine infused olive oil. You ready?
All right, go.
Ah, yeah.
Nice. There ain't nothing better than that sizzle. Come on now.
I want you guys to look at the color of that right there. Hey, that chorizo gives it a beautiful color. Listen, the aroma, it smells good raw. As soon as you put it on there, you could really just smell it.
You're right.
You can actually even smell that the bacon sea salt, man.
Yeah.
So look, I want you guys to take a look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but you can see where it started to become brown right here, because look, it's starting to cook from the bottom and it's rising up. So we probably about halfway through. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a flip. All right? Oh my goodness. Look at that right there.
Oh, that's what you call a crust right there, man.
Yes, sir. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go.
Oil first?
Oil first.
Just a little dibble.
Right.
All right.
There you go. Hey, look, you know, I do that to help prevent the butter from burning.
Got it.
You know? Get this around, get it going. That's nice right there.
Yeah.
Now we go ahead.
Show me how you crack your eggs.
All right, look. I gotta do it fast, because when I do it,
pay attention, guys.
there you go. So look, we'll hit it like this. Come over the top, lay it down like that. Voila.
Perfect.
So check this out, having these domes, you know what I mean? These right here work out just fine. Look at that right there. I'm not trying to say I'm trying to show out or nothing like that, so we'll leave that there. Now it's time to put this garlic aioli on our buns.
Now what's in the aioli?
A whole lot of ingredients. Look, all you gotta do.
Below.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, look down in the description box below, and you know, for the full ingredient list, folks. Hey, super easy to make. You guys can double and quadruple it. You know, it does good in the refrigerator. It's good on everything. Anytime you use mayo, you might probably start using some of these. And don't forget, I got a sauce video to help you out with all different types of sauces, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead. Let's go ahead and get under here like this, right? We'll take this one and center it up a little bit. Now, you know, it's my favorite part, man. It's all about the assembly for me. You know what I mean? We got that there. Now look, I'm gonna take some of this bacon. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and just break it right there. You see the way it is? I like it still crisp, but this little fatty side right here, you guys, that's me all day long. You know what I mean? We'll just put it like that. And then don't forget, we in California, right? So I'm gonna go, that's right. I'm gonna go ahead and get me hey, you did a good job on slicing these, bro. You know what I mean? Let's just go ahead and put something like this. Just like you see. Oh, that'll do it. And then I'll always show out and do something a little extra. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of this, just drizzle a little bit. You know, like that.
Drizzle a little bit?
Yes, sir. Then we'll go ahead and take this top. Now look, now I'm gonna go ahead, just put a little bit of this on there. Oh my goodness. If this don't say brunch, you guys, I don't know what will. We go ahead and put the crown on it. Ah, yeah. And that there, folks, that's a brunch burger right there. All right, CJ, now the moment of truth, right?
Oh, yeah.
So look, you like your egg on the runny side?
Hell yeah.
Right. You see I made one egg that's not, you know, for those who don't want it.
For those who don't like
right,
it.
right. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I can hear y'all. Y'all can let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about this, how you like your burgers or whatever. But check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and look. It is already busted. Look, it was right on the edge, but check it out. We just cut it down the middle like this.
Look at that.
Cutting through that crispy, you know, that bacon. Oh man, dude. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. Look at this right here. Oh yeah.
You got the angels singing in the background?
Oh yeah. Look at that right there. That right there is good, my folks. All right.
Yo.
Look at that right there.
How you gonna get your mouth around that? Come on, man.
Hey, I'm gonna figure it out though, bro.
Yo, I'm going right for the middle.
Oh man, look at that. Look.
Look at the juice.
Look at the juice in there. Oh my goodness.
I think I got some on my beard.
Oh man.
Oh, that's fire, brother.
Hey, even over that chorizo,
Oh,
you can taste that bacon flavored salt, bro. Oh man.
yeah. I think I got up in my ears.
Hey, so tell me what you think about this brunch burger.
Creamy.
Excuse me, breakfast brunch burger. There we go. Right.
Dude, it's creamy. The flavors are packed. All right, that chorizo. If you're not mixing chorizo in your hamburgers, I don't know what you're doing with your life. That bacon salt took it to the next level. Avocado was cut perfectly by your boy. All right.
right.
Cheesy goodness. All right, and that aioli took it over the top. Beautiful.
Hey, well said. There's really nothing else I can say. I want you guys to remember this. Listen, let me know what you think, because I can see the comments now. Everybody gonna talk about, hey, look right there. I know y'all gonna talk about that yolk. But anyway, listen, let me know down in the comment section below, because I hear it all the time.
Dude, that's just dipping sauce.
Hey, they just, hey, for those who do that, you understand it, because that's what I'm finna do. I took another bite, but I'm finna dredge it across that and get that. Now, you guys make your egg how you want to, or don't even put it on there. Now, let me just say this. Listen, if you're new to my channel, and you know what? Listen, I want you guys to look underneath this video, right? There's a join button. Listen, that's for the memberships. That's for those who want to get a little bit something extra, you know, want to make it more personal to myself. And then if you stick around, you see these names right here on the screen. That's so you guys can be immortalized, you know what I mean? So take a look at the video. It's a real short video. Let me know if that's something you like. I'll know, because your name will be right next to me. And anyway, I'm not gonna over talk it. I'm just gonna say this. Listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, bro, we out.
Cheers.
Peace.